Alright, question 25. Different bits here. Right, the radius. Need that. So that's going to tell me all that. One thing here, it's probably going to trick us out. That, just the height of that, is just going to be 10. Because if you think about it, that's going to be 4 as well. So I'm just going to keep that as 10. So I know the dimensions of here is 10. And I've got 4 across for that one. Okay, I'm going to calculate the volume of the solid. Well, it's a question 25, so pretty much you're dealing with shapes like this. You've got to go to the front. And you're going to look for some information. Okay, so I need this volume of a cone, definitely. I'm going to need the volume of the sphere, definitely. So I'm going to need them two formulas in a second. Right. So, going back to it, the volume of the cone, you get back by doing a third pi r squared h times by the height. So if I do the volume of the cone now, I'm going to multiply, I'm going to do a third times by pi times by the radius squared, so 4, multiplied, now this is where we can go back, it's multiplied by 10 when we do that. Right? So type it into calculator, might as well use the fraction button. Okay, third multiplied by pi multiplied by 4 squared multiplied by 10 gives me 160 over 3 pi. So 160 over 3 pi. That's the volume of the cone. Your next bit is I'm going to do the hemisphere. So I'm going to use the formula for the volume of a sphere is equal to 4 over 3 pi r to the 3. Right, I'm going to sub in, so I've got 4 over 3 times by pi times by 4 to the 3. Right, got that bit. So 4 over 3 times by pi times by 4 to the 3. Okay, but remember, I've only got half of it, so I'm going to divide by 2. This gets me 128 over 3 pi. So, I'm just going to write here 128 over 3 pi, and I'm going to put in brackets hemisphere and put a h there, and all I'm doing there is I'm just making me notes, all my notes all correct, because it's saying it's dividing it by 2. Right, your final bit is you add them both together, and if I do the last one plus, I've got 160 over 3 pi, get an answer, 96 pi overall. 96 pi. It did say give your answer correct to 3 significant figures, so it's talking about decimals there. So when you press the SD button, you get that. So you could just put in 302. Right, so 3 significant figures. Okay, and that's it.